Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Last Financial Freedom. So let's talk about real estate and how real estate compared to blogging. So a lot of people are interested in investing into real estate and invest into a business, but what I see comparing the real estate versus having a blog, having a property, managing the property versus managing a blog or like a YouTube channel. So these business, online business versus having a physical property is definitely, I believe there's some pros and cons in both, but today we're going to see some of the reason why more people are interested might be an open and online business versus having investing all your eggs or your money into real estate. So the things, some of the pros in having a real estate, a rental is going to be something that's more steady. It's not going to be going up and down value so drastically, unless it's like something really happened to the economy really badly, then it might drop in price, but it's slowly increasing in value. But when it comes to having a blog, there's blogs, websites out there that people can make a lot of money in in the millions over time, and it start to increase over time. Like 5, 10 years, your website that you've been working on, in 10 years time span, it can make can accumulate a lot more assets, accumulate open more doors for you to build, to stand out, to having your own course. You can sell books on there, you can sell coaching, membership, a lot of things on there. So high-end ticket, things like that. But I want to point out that having starting out with a website is very affordable, and so with the potential to be able to work. You can manage your online business anywhere, anytime that convenient for you around the schedule that works out for you. If you're working full time on a 9 to 5, definitely have a website, and it's going to help you to manage it anywhere that you want in the world. You're traveling a lot, so I just want to introduce you Webway. Webway is an interactive website that helps you to really it's you're gonna see all the features that the webway has to offer. The thing I initially likes also bump into webways, they have the free you can create and launch website right here, and then giving you unlimited pages. You have 1 gig file storage. You have free SSL certificate. So this here help you to get help in English via chat and email. All this stuff here, password protected pages, membership pages, all this for free. Not only that, but multi-language website. So this is something if, for example, somebody who doesn't care about having a web wave ads on there, or they don't really mind all that stuff. They just want to get it started and just kind of have your feet wet in the water to see how it goes. um, Now this features here is really unique with the membership pages, protected pages, password protected pages. You can definitely do something like coaching. You can sell access into these membership pages, and you can help your clients or your customer to be able to go in and put certain things on there, or review certain notes that you have. Let's just say that you don't have a course up and running and you don't want to have all that videos up on the website. I believe, if you want to, if you just want to have something that just remind your members or your customer of the things that you went through with them. So yeah, definitely these are the password protected pages is really helpful. So I really think it's very affordable price when you're starting out with the pro price is like $7 to start out, and you with the next one, the difference between $5 and $7 is actually you get unlimited pages versus one pages here, and you get 3 email, and you have more storage, and you have a blog, you have password protected pages, membership pages, and all that stuff. Now going to the higher tiers, you do have an option. what is it here? Unlimited, look at this, unlimited file storage, okay? Unlimited pages, unlimited email accounts, and you also have membership pages and sell digital products and e-commerce with online payment. So there's no limits on these. There's no commission. There's no split versus other platform out there like Gumroad or Payhib or Sell Sellfy. There's quite a few options out there or SendOut. They charge you a commission for that. And let's just say, in the beginning, it might not seem a lot. Let's just say that in the beginning, you're starting out, you're making 10 grand per year. It doesn't seem a lot, but like 1% or 2% doesn't seem a lot, or 5%, I think, on PayHip, or 2%, even that amount. But when your income starts to increase to 10, from 10K per month, to all that stuff, then definitely it's going to make more sense for you to go to the higher plan, because definitely you have more bangs for your buck here. You also have an option to sell digital products. It could be like audio files, could be books, could be a lot of different things here. So definitely worth checking it out. Now, I want to say that you have an option. There's a lot of free templates on here. You can also create a website and sell it to your customer, which is the option here. Look, uh, agency and freelancer. It might be a little bit, cost a bit more. I think it's $25 per month to go to the freelancer. What is it here? You get commissions. You can sell your website they created for clients, and definitely it's white labeling. Okay, so check this out. They have a lot of free template. You can check out the template they have here. These are all the template. It's already pre-made. Everything is done for you. If you know what you wanted, if you want to create a personal training for fitness, if you wanted to blog, to like cooking, a blog, if you wanted to like fixing stuff or solar panel or a cafe, or people who want to have photography, or it could be like a lifestyle blog, nutrition blog, car service. It could be medical service or studio designs. It could be like what is it? Child care services, or it could be a membership of football school, beauty, professional, creative agency, so providing services to other people, etc. So check it out on here, which one it fits better for you. So it's already pre-made. All you need to do is to fill in the text here, the words and the images if you like, the information here, and that's about it. I really like this design here. Very interesting how people sell cottage or the plan designs, all that stuff here. Just fill it in the blanks and put the pictures and images how you want it. Yeah, they also have a makeup courses training for people who want to have like facial massage, things like that. They also have doctor, look at that, doctor, medical center, architectural studio, travels, and then they have fashion, beauty, natures. I think there's a lot of template. I forgot how many there was. So check it out. And if you're getting good at this website designing, since it's very simple, you can sell these websites on Fiverr and upwards to your clients, and your clients can go in and update the information that they want. Let's just say the phone number change or the menu change or whatever. Definitely, you can help them with that. You can help them. They can add their own content. They have unlimited amount of pages on their website. So let's just say they have every week they load 1 or 2 pages of the how the blog post, stuff like that. They can go in themselves to do it instead of reminding you to do it. You have to go in and do it for them. And so that's definitely a plus. And the next one I want to point out that's really interesting is that Writecream is a feature. They have a lot of free tool. So on this website, I'm really into the free and affordable what you call platform and features and tools that help you to grow your online business, whether it might be blog or YouTube or podcast, e-commerce, social media, any of these or ads. Okay, so this is a really unique tool that they have a lot of free features for you that can try it out, because you know how some tools out there, they only give you 7 days, 14 days, whatever days they're giving you, but they don't have the chance to try them out, or you try it once, you didn't get to try a new tool that just came out or something. But here, the free tool they have is YouTube podcast, they have YouTube video script, voiceover, podcast, e-commerce, look, product reviews and all that stuff. So copywriting, all this stuff here. So the prices right now they have a promotion where you get an unlimited amount of usage, unlimited amount of credit, based on what they saying here, that you get short blog, long blog, unlimited amount of words, unlimited amount of podcasts, YouTube, voiceover, all that stuff here. So check out this plan, and I believe you can lock it in a certain time for $29 per month, so that you can start growing your blog if you need help with that, or your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the links are in the description there. Now, one of the things that I want to point out is that they do have an option to generate a 1,000 words article in less than 60 seconds. So I have this tool and I try it out and I showed on my channels before, 4 clicks. So they have 4 parts to it, and you just pick the output that you like that is generated, and you have 1,000 words article right there, and it's very portable. Versus you go out there and hire people, it does take time, and you still have to edit anyway. So this is gonna give you the framework that you need. Another one I want to quickly highlight is that gonna be Autoblog, and Autoblog is something. Where was it that they give you? Where was it? Okay, so I want to point out that Autoblog has some Amazon free tools. Let me see, check out the free tools on here and you can try it out. You can also check out their samples. Articles are very unique and it's really going to help you to see how good an article. Their article is so really like it could be very minimal editing. So quick, check out their sample. They have Amazon review. They have some free tool where you give it like a sentence that comes out with kind of like a frame, like bullet points, what you want to talk about, things like that. It helps you there. Like it's creating a framework or a skeleton for the article. It's just free tools, so you can try it out, see if it helps, and you can regenerate unlimited amount of those skeleton or framework for your blog post to see if you like it. And Amazon reviews on a certain product, you put the products in, it gives you this brief description of that product for you, so you don't have to put much thinking into it. They have quick mode, pro mode, all that stuff, and the pricing on there is pretty affordable. Let me go to Outlook here. Um, you can go on a block here and you go to pricing here, and you can see that you can try it out here, and it's $1 paid trial, but you get 5 articles. And then right now, today's the 18th, today's the last day that you can get a locked in for this what do you call it, 750 article limit for this price of 249. And after today, it's going to be only 500 articles that can create this. So basically, it's going to be like 40 cents or like 50 cents for article, things like that. So it's right now it's 33 cents per article with 750 articles. But if you it's still a lot, 500 articles, you can sell those articles, 500 articles or 750 articles, and let's just say like $10 each or something like that. You can definitely make up for that 700 times $10. So yeah, think about it. It's like 7,000 already, or $5,000, things like that. So you can kind of put a little bit more effort, and you can make money on those articles. And the next one I want to highlight is going to be Article Forge. And this Article Forge, the thing I like most about this one is that they have automatically post into your blog. Okay, so it generates 1,500 words, kind of roughly like auto blog, but this is valuable that it's gonna automatically does it for you. Just need to set it up, link it to your blog, set up the topics, the things that you want it to talk about, and then it's gonna pump it out automatically into your blog. So check this out, Article Forge, and the price right now is pretty reasonable. You do monthly or yearly, and you get like 50% off, okay, if you go yearly. And they do have a free trial, free 5 days trial, okay? So let me know what you think about having a blog. And maybe in the next couple of videos, I will be talking about showing you some of the millionaires coming out from just blogging. And if you're more of somebody who doesn't want to talk in front of camera, you don't want to like show your face, or you just want to write something, you want to more having something like a website, things like that, then definitely this might be the plan for you. So check it out. Let me know what you think. So let's finance your freedom through blogging too. This is one of the tips and tricks that I want to share with you, and the software and tools to help accelerate your progress and your growth in terms of online business. So some people they create just like 50 to 100 blogs onto blog posts onto the website, and then just automatically they're using both Article Forge and Writecream, or whichever tools that you want to use, the more the better. But the thing I really like about Writecream is that it's giving you so much value for like YouTube and podcasts and a lot of languages if you're into creating blog in different languages and stuff. And it's also help you with cold email and linking and backlinks and all that stuff. So it just basically these are just to help you create the framework, or just the skeleton to help you create a blog post. So if you're aiming for having a 50 to 100 article to start out with, these going to help you accelerate it, and you can 10x that to 1,000 article on your blog, each of your blog 1,000 article at least, and then just keep pumping it out every week like that. So I'm sure you're going to grow. I'm sure you're going to be really um, get the attention of people, and just start sharing your blog posts on social media, because Write Cream has a lot of that option where you can co-email, uh, campaign outreach, and all that stuff to help you with that, the backlinks and icebreakers. Okay, so see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about it. If you what your thoughts are on WebWave, Article Forge, Write Cream, and last not least is blogging, auto blogging AI. Well, I love to talk more about more on building a business, building a brand. So if you're interested in signing up for my email newsletter, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out my website. Let's finance your freedom. Thank you.